Hello students, good morning all. Welcome to our online session. Welcome back all of you to our new academic year, new semester. Let us begin this new semester with lot of new hopes, new positive vibes, and even though we have lot of challenges in front of us, let us overcome everything and also put effort towards all our online classes also. From today we are starting with our online session. This semester is concerned, you will be studying a paper called data structure using C. Okay, using, so it's just a extended version of your previous semester. Most of the concept what you have studied in the previous semester only will be there, and plus additional new concept will be taken care in this semester. So when you talk about what is data structure, see how we arrange the data, the methodology to arrange the data, we call it as data structure. If you can take an example, before constructing the house, anybody would have already, your parents have constructed a new house and all, they would have made a blueprint. So blueprint is not the house, it will give a idea about the how the house going to look like. The structure of the house will be available to you in the name of blueprint. The structure will be there, that's all. So data structure also is like that, it provides the structure of whatever concept you are going to use. So programming logic structure is given using a concept called data structure. Data structure is not that no, you have to use data structure only for C programming and all. Data structure is a concept which you can use it for, once you understand the concept, you can use it for any programming language. For our syllabus, they have used as a C as a programming language and try to discuss this paper. When this paper is concerned, paper is quite technical. We can't say it is tough, it is quite technical. But if you could frequently, if you regularly attend these online classes, anyway we will be giving all the notes and other thing, you will be able to manage the session. This semester in data structure you have 5 chapters. First chapter will talk about introduction to data structure, how data structure is divided, what is the role of data structure, why we need, and other things. It will be more of general concept. So unit 2, so this gives a idea about data structure. Then unit 2 will talk about the concept of string and arrays. Whatever you have done so far, same thing plus an additional information will be available using the concept of string and arrays. And in unit 3 it will talk about a concept called linked list. Unit 4 will talk about a concept called stack and queues. And unit 5 we will discuss about trees and graphs. So this is your syllabus about this semester. First 2 chapter will be handled by Tara ma'am and last 3 chapter will be handled by myself. So have a note, divide your note into 2 parts. One part start maintaining my part of notes and another part maintain Tara ma'am's notes, because both are we will take, even though it's a data structure concept, both of us will take a different logic behind it. So have a same note but divide it into 2 partition. And your timetable is concerned, as of now we are starting in online mode. By in few days, if a situation improves, then we can go back to our regular mode. Until then you need to adapt to the online mode. So these are the 4 classes we will be handling: Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. In this Wednesday alone is Tara ma'am's class. Remaining sessions and all will be my sessions only. As usual, this time also most of the concept I will take through recorded a video and post it in the classroom app. In case if it's really required any important concept we need to discuss, then we will go for Zoom app. But preferably I will record the video and post it so that it will be available ever. Whenever you are free you can watch it over it. Along with this related study material, notes, everything will be there. Every session will have a assignment question or a quiz question. You need to take up the question, watch the video, take up the questions. Answer for the quiz questions will be in the video itself. So if you would have watched the video, you will be able to answer the quiz question or assignment question. Based upon the students who are answering the questions, attendance will be given. Every day attendance will be posted in the group also. And the practical is concerned, we have C lab only, but based on data structure concept we will do. So data structure lab, we call it as same software, same Dev C++ only we will use it. Initial stages we will start with theory. If days go back and you people are little regular in the online sessions, then we will start our practical sessions also. Since you have an idea how to execute C program, you can easily do through online mode also. We can start our practical session. So all the best. Take up responsibility of attending all your online sessions. Best wishes for the new semester. Have a nice day. Thank you.